Hey! In this video, I'll give you a quick explainer of the OET test, covering what it is and how to prepare for it. Let's get started. OET, or Occupational English Test, is an English exam designed specifically for healthcare professionals. It's widely accepted in the UK, USA, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand for professional registration and immigration. Unlike other high-stakes English tests, OET is based entirely on real healthcare scenarios, so doctors, nurses, and others get tasks that reflect the workplace. There are 4 sections of the test: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Let's begin by looking at the listening section. The listening test takes about 45 minutes, has 42 questions, and includes 3 parts. In Part A, you'll listen to 2 consultations, which are about 5 minutes each. After listening to the audio, you'll need to complete a health professional's notes. In Part B, you'll listen to 6 short 1-minute workplace extracts, like team briefings or handovers. After listening to the audio, you'll need to answer multiple choice questions. In Part C, you'll listen to 2 longer audios, which are about 5 minutes each, such as presentations or interviews. After listening to the audio, you'll need to answer some multiple choice questions. Here's a couple tips for OET listening. Spot keywords in the questions before listening, and make sure you pay attention to the speaker's tone. Okay, next section, OET reading. The reading test lasts up to 60 minutes with 42 questions across 3 parts. In Part A, you'll read 4 short texts on a healthcare topic and answer 20 questions. This part takes about 15 minutes to complete. In Part B, you'll read 6 short workplace texts and answer multiple choice questions. Part B takes about 10 minutes to complete. Finally, in Part C, you'll read 2 long texts, professional articles around 800 words each, and answer multiple choice questions for both texts. Part C takes about 35 minutes to complete. Here's a tip for OET reading. Skim first for the layout and ideas, then scan for keywords. The next section is writing. The writing test is profession-specific and takes 45 minutes. 5 minutes to read case notes, and 40 minutes to write. Other tasks may include discharge notes or complaint responses, but they're always based on case notes. For this task, you need to select relevant details in the case notes, organize them logically, paraphrase, and then write clearly for the intended reader. Letters should be 180 to 200 words, though being slightly over or under won't cause an automatic penalty. Here's a tip for the writing section. Focus on accuracy, professionalism, and addressing the purpose of the letter. All right, the final section, speaking. The speaking section lasts about 20 minutes and is profession-specific. It begins with a short warm-up, then you complete 2 role plays. For each role play, you have 3 minutes to prepare and 5 minutes to interact in a realistic scenario, like explaining treatment, giving advice, or reassuring a patient. Your responses are recorded and later assessed on a range of criteria such as clarity, empathy, professional language, and communication. Here's a quick tip for OET speaking. In the role play with the examiner, be sure to stay professional and empathetic. OET scoring. Each skill gets a score from 0 to 500, mapped to letter grades A to E. There's no overall average. Each skill stands alone. After taking the test, your results should be available within 6 business days. How to study for the OET. So now it's time to prepare for your OET test. But don't stress. E2 has everything you need to succeed. We've got expert teachers, real practice questions, proven strategies, simulated role plays, writing feedback, mock tests, and much more to help you achieve your target grade. Get started on your OET test prep for free at E2language.com today. So that's it. Good luck with your OET preparation. See you next time.